Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical question. Can you scan QR codes on the Shop app in 2025? With technology evolving so fast, let's break this down step by step to help you navigate this feature like a pro. First things first, the Shop app is a popular platform for online shopping, payments, and deals, and by 2025, it's packed with even more user-friendly updates, including enhanced QR code scanning capabilities. So, the answer is a resounding yes. You can absolutely scan QR codes on the Shop app. This feature makes shopping quicker and more interactive, whether you're in a store or browsing online. Let me walk you through how it works. Start by opening the Shop app on your smartphone or tablet. Make sure it's updated to the latest 2025 version to access all the new tools. Next, head to the main menu and look for the QR scanner icon. It might be under Scan or Tools section. Once you tap it, the app will prompt you to allow camera access, so go ahead and grant permission. Now, point your device's camera at the QR code, and within seconds, the app will detect and process it automatically. You'll be redirected to the linked content, like a product page, discount offer, or payment gateway. One of the best parts? This saves you time and reduces errors compared to manual entry. Of course, if you run into issues, such as the scan not working, check your lighting, ensure your camera lens is clean, or restart the app. By 2025, expect even more security features, like biometric verification, to make this process safer. Overall, scanning QR codes on the Shop app is a game changer for everyday shopping. If you're excited about this, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.